Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are so welcome. My name is Eukaria. So guys, today is another beautiful video for you guys. I'm going to be doing a review on this beautiful wig you are seeing here. So guys, this wig is from Elevatestyles, and this wig is so beautiful. It's not a human hair, but it's a blend, and it's so affordable, guys. It's so affordable. And the person that constructed this wig needs an award. The construction of this wig is amazing, and you won't believe it's not a full lace. You won't believe at all. They constructed it in a way that you can install this wig on your head. If you want to rock it like that, you can as well wear it. It came with adjustable strap. This is beautiful. I love everything about this wig. You can see me, I like testing before the time, so don't mind me. They call it main concept red carpet HD age slave 4 deep part lace front wig. In case you love this wig, I'll be leaving the link to buy it in the description box below. Do check it out. That is what is called, and the length I think is 30 inches. Oh, the length is really long, and this wig is affordable like I told you before, guys. So guys, let's quickly review the inside of the cap. The inside of the cap stretches. They added their label to it, and it came with 3 combs, one at the back of the wig and 2 by the sides. So guys, this wig is very beautiful. You can even slay this wig by installing it like a full frontal, which is the way they made it, or you just rock your wig and make it firm using the adjustable straps at the back. Guys, I'm not going to be laying this wig because a lot of us don't like glue. You know, they say it wastes their time, so I'm just going to throw it on and arrange it with the baby hair at the front. I had to apply on the wig concealer that matches with that of my skin tone to make it kind of blend very well with my skin. I don't need extra glue. I just want to rock this wig. I can't wait. So guys, let's do this together. Let's arrange the wig the way it's supposed to be. Everything about this wig is well constructed in a way that you won't have to suffer yourself while rocking it. So guys, I'll be showing you. I'm going to be packing this hair. First, I had to wear it first, then remove it. I had to remove it and trim off the net at the front, because I'm not going to be laying it. I'm just going to rock it like that. So guys, let's lay this together. This wig, I love it so much. One thing I love about the wig is the color. I love the color combination, and it's blended well onto my skin. I'm loving that. It has so many colors, so in case you don't like this color and you want another color for yourself, that is what you pick while buying it. Remember to visit the description box of this video for the link to buy this wig. It's going to last for you. It's going to last for you. All right. So guys, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you my new family. You are all welcome. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Remember the name of this company is Elevatestyles. So you can check them out by visiting the description box of this video. Every information concerning this wig will be there waiting for you. Thank you guys. I love you so much. See you on my next video. Bye.